Oluwatoyosi Ogunseye's pursuit of the truth has made the 30-year-old a standout investigative journalist in Nigeria. Known as Toyosi, she's the first female editor and the youngest at Sunday Punch, the Sunday edition of Nigeria's most widely read newspaper. Her stories have made a difference, bringing change and improving people's lives.
This is what journalism is about. Getting justice for people, getting justice for the society, and just making society a better place.
In a three-part series called The Rich Also Cry, Toyosi investigated whether a steel factory in Lagos was causing cancer, asthma, and other health problems in the surrounding community. Sam Ebony is trying to move after living near the factory for 15 years.
I've been rushed to the hospital more than 3 times over pollution here because of my breathing problem. My family, my sons, my daughters, we are constantly visiting doctors.
Toyosi took an extra step. She convinced her paper to pay for medical tests to determine why people were getting sick.
I needed to prove that this was a major challenge, and that proof needed me to go the extra mile.
Her report showed residents had dangerous levels of iron and lead in their bodies. That revelation spurred the government to shut the plant down until new regulations were put in place.
We don't know what we would have done without the Punch report, because the industry would have continued as they've been doing before to pollute the environment.
Toyosi's investigation into the death of an 8-year-old boy who fell into a pit latrine at his school in Ketu highlighted a widespread problem across Nigeria.
When I visited the first school and I saw that the pit latrine was in such a terrible condition that led to the death of one of the pupils, it occurred to me that this could be happening in other schools.
Not satisfied with telling one child's story, Toyosi went to 10 other schools in the area, finding squalid conditions time and again.
The kids couldn't use the toilets, so they were forced to use the back of their classrooms to defecate.
Toyosi's investigation led to a government initiative to provide sanitary facilities for the children to go to the bathroom. And her coverage of newborn babies dying at a government hospital in Lagos forced the hospital to buy more incubators for high-risk infants. Toyosi found patients at Ransom Kuti Children's Center had to share life-saving equipment.
Babies were sharing incubators. 3 babies would share 1 incubator that should have only 1 child. They didn't even have enough incubators.
Toyosi saw one mother become hysterical after a doctor gave up and told her her newborn was dead, only to watch another doctor come to the rescue.
And then the elderly doctor, it was like a movie, collected this child and said, "Is this a child?" Now there was this instrument they tried to use to pump the child with. He said, "Okay, give me, let me try." And so the elderly doctor kept trying to pump, and then the baby just started crying.
When the federal government picked 4 locations to build nuclear reactors, Toyosi visited one of the sites. She quickly realized villagers were unaware of the plan. They thought the government was building a rice plantation until she informed them otherwise.
The major joy was in letting the people know the truth. They were really upset.
The battle over the nuclear plant remains in court. Her reporting on a broad range of health-related dangers has had significant impact. Now, as editor of Sunday Punch, Toyosi oversees 90 reporters. She teaches them, the greater the effort, the greater the results.
Sometimes you may not be able to change the world at once, but somehow if more toilets can be built, if babies can have better incubators, if a young girl somewhere has justice, and then you keep on doing this, it could just make society a better place.